How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make supports easier to remove in Bambu Studio. Basically, the first thing that we are going to do is to increase the top Z distance. But before we do that, you first need to enable your support. And what I suggest is to use the tree automatic and use the tree slim option. From there, we can now edit out the top Z distance. So normally it will be set to 0.2 millimeters. And then you want to set this to 0.25 millimeters or 0.28 millimeters. Now, a larger gap prevents the support from fusing too strongly to the model's bottom surface. Now, for the other option, we also have to adjust the support interface layers. Basically, with this one, you want to set this options right here. It's going to be on the same category on advanced. You want to set the layers to 2 or 3 layers and the density at 90%. And for the last option, you want to navigate through the top interface spacing. And from here, you want to change this to 0.5 millimeters or 0.8 millimeters. Let's go ahead and use the top ones, which is going to be the 0.8. Now, this puts more space between the lines of the support interface, making it less likely to bond permanently to your model. So after applying this setting, you will basically remove your supports easier in Bambu Studio. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.